Sena, the brand you know and trust for motorcycle communication and connectivity, is bringing you the new standard for your ride. Introducing the Sena 30K. Using Sena's patented and state-of-the-art mesh intercom technology, pairing has never been easier or faster. With the tap of a single button, the 30K will scan and instantaneously connect with all available headsets nearby, getting you and your group connected and out on the road in seconds. The self-organizing and self-optimizing mesh intercom system means never having to worry about who is paired together and in what order. With mesh intercom, everyone is connected to each other. Even if a rider falls out of range, the autonomous tech will actively search to find that rider and automatically reconnect once they're back in range without disrupting the group. In public mode, the 30K will easily pair with a virtually unlimited amount of riders within 1 mile. In private mode, a creator can invite up to 16 participants to join at a distance of up to 5 miles. Guests can request to listen in only to the private group, ideal for an instructor or leader to communicate in a larger group while several only listen. Technology should grow with you without leaving anyone behind. The Sena 30K houses dual processors allowing for both Bluetooth and mesh intercom communication at the same time, meaning you can talk with both 30K users on the mesh intercom as well as Bluetooth users all together. But it wouldn't be a Sena without the features you know and love. The 30K hosts audio multitasking, FM radio, the ability to make and receive phone calls, hear GPS directions, music, and hear crystal clear audio using Sena's advanced noise control. Welcome to the future of fast, flexible, and limitless communication. This is the Sena 30K.
If you're looking for an innovative company who leads the motorsports industry in the design, construction, and manufacturing of motorcycle covers, luggage, and saddlebags, then you're in the right place. This is Dalco Powersports. Guardian motorcycles, scooter, ATV, and UTV covers are made to protect the most indispensable part of your adventure. With Guardian covers protecting your gear and keeping it performance ready, you're always ready to ride. Today we're looking at the Guardian Weatherall Plus Sport Bike cover, Dalco's top of the line and most popular cover. This industry-leading full-size cover is constructed of heavy-duty, waterproof ClimaShield 300D polyester. The special color lock fabric treatment prevents fading and repels water 5 times longer to provide maximum protection against mildew. The polyurethane undercoating is mildew resistant, and the reflective moisture guard vent system prevents moisture buildup underneath the cover as well. The seams on all Guardian covers are double stitched and sealed on the inside using a special heat applied tape that not only seals the seams but also reinforces them for strength and flexibility, making them ultra durable and waterproof. Inside you'll find soft cotton to protect your windshield, and you'll find aluminized coating in places that may encounter warm pipes to prevent melting. For installation, an elastic shock cord has been sewn into the bottom of the cover to provide a snug fit around the base of your motorcycle. There's a polyester webbing belly strap also sewn in to prevent the cover from coming off in case of high winds. And for added security, you'll find a sewn-in hole for a wheel lock to be passed through and sewn-in alarm pockets for the Dalco cover alarm that you can find sold separately on the website. And when you're ready to uncover your bike, included is a compression storage bag that makes transporting your cover even easier. And for other motorcycles, there are 9 other sizes available to fit all your cruiser, sport, and adventure touring needs. All Dalco Weatherall Plus covers come with a limited lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship, and Dalco stands behind the warranty with legendary customer service. Check out the online reviews. Simple installation, maintenance, cleaning, and care instructions are included, and for around $110, you'll get your Dalco's most popular cover, complete with a limited lifetime warranty. If you love what you see, be sure to click the Buy It Now button, and it's all yours.